Two people can earn the same money but still live completely different lives. The biggest difference is not income, it is the way they think. Poor mindset people buy expensive things just to impress other people. Rich mindset people buy assets first and luxury later in life. Poor mindset says, I deserve this right now, no matter the cost. Rich mindset asks, will this decision make me money in the future? Poor mindset spends money first and saves only what is left. Rich mindset saves money first before spending on anything unnecessary. Poor mindset avoids learning about money because it feels boring or difficult. Rich mindset studies money constantly because knowledge creates financial freedom. Poor mindset blames the economy, the government, and other people for problems. Rich mindset adapts quickly and looks for new opportunities during difficult times. Poor mindset wants fast money without patience, effort, or long-term planning. Rich mindset understands that real wealth takes time and discipline to build. Poor mindset buys status symbols to look successful in front of strangers. Rich mindset focuses on buying freedom, peace, and control over life. Poor mindset becomes afraid whenever there is risk or uncertainty involved. Rich mindset takes smart risks after learning and planning carefully first. Poor mindset thinks money is evil and rich people are always greedy. Rich mindset sees money as a powerful tool that creates opportunities. Poor mindset wastes hours every day without improving skills or knowledge. Rich mindset protects time carefully because time is more valuable than money. Poor mindset copies broke habits from people who also struggle financially. Rich mindset learns directly from successful people and useful financial advice. Poor mindset fears failure so much that they stop trying completely. Rich mindset learns valuable lessons from mistakes and keeps moving forward. Poor mindset complains daily instead of changing habits or improving situations. Rich mindset searches for solutions instead of focusing only on problems. Poor mindset spends money trying to impress people who do not care. Rich mindset quietly invests money without showing off to everyone around them. Poor mindset quits quickly whenever progress feels slow or difficult to see. Rich mindset stays consistent even when results take time to appear. Poor mindset waits for motivation before taking action toward important goals. Rich mindset builds discipline and works even when motivation disappears completely. Poor mindset buys liabilities that lose value immediately after purchasing them. Rich mindset buys assets that grow in value and create more income. Poor mindset believes life is unfair and nothing can really improve anymore. Rich mindset asks what skills, habits, or actions can improve the future. Poor mindset follows emotions and makes financial decisions during panic or excitement. Rich mindset controls emotions and stays calm during stressful financial situations. Poor mindset chooses instant pleasure instead of thinking about long-term rewards first. Rich mindset sacrifices small pleasures today to build freedom for tomorrow. Poor mindset stays comfortable even when comfort is destroying future opportunities slowly. Rich mindset accepts discomfort because growth only happens outside the comfort zone. Poor mindset hopes money problems disappear without creating any real financial plan. Rich mindset creates budgets, goals, and systems to control money carefully. Your daily habits slowly build the future life you eventually live every day. Small financial decisions repeated daily become your future lifestyle and freedom. Rich mindset is not about looking rich or showing off expensive things. It is about building freedom, peace, and wealth, one smart choice at a time.